Michaela says I should call this My Life in the Pits with Tits. I don't know about all that. So this is Michaela, my cousin's 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan, and it's been throwing the code for the camshaft position sensor. So we're getting ready to change it. And first thing you'll need, this is a very simple job. You have to remove the cover, remove the wiring harness, remove one T30 bolt. Need this. So you'll need a T30 socket, a ratchet. I use an extension just because to get it out a little bit. And what we also did is I used a little bit of oil on the O-ring of the sensor, as you'll see, to help it slide in. This is like a 15-minute job. Got rid of the code. It's easy. Michaela's gonna do the work and I'm gonna walk you through how to do it. I'm gonna be the narrator. So step one, Michaela, take the cover off. Should just pull up. Yep, set to the side. Pull up.
Listen.
Grip it forcefully.
No, it's stuck.
No.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this over.
Okay.
Okay, take that loose. Pull it, make sure you pull it just by the plastic, not by the wires.
Okay.
You'll have to like.
Oh.
Yep. It's got a little pinchy.
I can't see.
I can't? I can't see, it's too dark with this big bright light in my face.
It should be on the other side.
But I need it like.
Hold the light, damn it. I can't get it.
It should.
Okay, hold on.
It should pinch or pull or something.
Should it?
Mm-hmm. It is a Volkswagen, so.
God, everything has to be convoluted. Wait, is there a button here maybe? Is that a button?
I bet money either that pushes down right here or it pulls up. I bet it pulls up. You got nails?
A little bit.
Oh, yeah, it's got a little tab. Pulls up.
Ah.
It pulls up on the front and then that slides out.
All right.
Okay? Always take that off first because you don't want to fight with getting it out here.
Okay.
Okay, so now we will take our T30 and our extension. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Okay. I had to think about it. Okay, so that's right. So we gotta go that way.
Hold on.
Shit.
Nope, we gotta go the other way. You're right. Right?
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Be careful. Oh, broke it loose. Okay. Hold. Yep.
What? Why'd you take it?
Hold it.
Oh,
Hold
that's
that
what I
part.
was doing.
Okay.
You just come in with your hands. I think this is burning me.
Well, it probably didn't help that you just drove it like 30 minutes here, but almost there.
Almost.
Do not drop that bolt. What I would do if I was you
It's just twisted the rest of the way.
Yep. Okay, set this guy right here. That's why we turn this upside down.
Oh,
Then you take your bolt.
Hold on, we gotta catch it.
I think it's out.
Yep.
Yep, put your bolt in there. Now pull that out. Just pull it straight out. Yep. Now we will take our new one, and I'll show you a little trick. Open it up. Put the old one in the box.
I was gonna put it in the bag.
Ooh!
Was it hot?
It's a little warm.
I couldn't tell.
Now I'll show you a little trick here that has an O-ring on it. To make it easier to go in.
Lubricate the O-ring?
Yep, just take your little dab of oil on your finger. Just take a little dab of oil on your finger. Like such. Yep. Rub it on the O-ring. Like such. Okay. Reinstall. Give it a little push. Okay. Now start your bolt by hand, that way you know it's not cross-threaded. Okay.
Hit the switch.
Hit the switch.
Because it's got to go the other way.
I already did. Now we're going to go righty-tighty.
Okay.
Okay, got one more thing to do.
Oh yeah, plug in. Plug it in. Maybe. These gloves are the worst.
Okay, heard it click. Now put your cover back on.
If I can.
Okay, you need to come over.
Hold on.
Line this hole up.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ta-da! And that's it.
Yeah.
See how easy that was?
You